Today I would like to introduce about an automation cell which was realized in collaboration with FANUC and Mitutoyo. The automation cell consists of FANUC robot drill machine, FANUC robot, Toyo coordinate measuring machine, and FANUC field system. Once the measurement cycle at Meister is completed, the measurement result can be viewed in real time at FANUC field system. So with such automated cell, customer can optimize a manufacturing process because the measurements are there, viewed in the real time, and if there are some abnormal measurement data, it can be quickly corrected. So it brings advantage to the production line by reducing a cycle time. Since it's a fully automated system, no manpower is necessary. Thus, the cost can be saved or the process can be optimized.